Hey guys, so it's amazing what you look at what you did years ago, right? This is one of the first scripts I wrote outside of using hot strings and hotkeys. I did it when I was at TI, and I mean, there's a long like 10 years ago probably, and what it does is my colleague worked in scheduling, and he would schedule these semiconductors all around the world, and when they were going to be developed and stuff, and he'd constantly have to say, oh, well, how many days out? Oh, now it's changed to 17 days, and then look that up in the calendar, and it was really annoying. So we made him this little script, and all you do is you hit Control T, and it's going to bring up how many days out do you want to go. Let's say 7, and it throws in that date. Right, and of course right here is where you're structuring that time format however you want, but it's a super easy, if you know the number of days out, again, Control T, how many days out? 365. That'll be 1 year from now, right? So very simple script, super easy. It really didn't take that long to do. The only one I remember at the time was dealing with dates was a little new for me, but yeah, I think it's one of those things like, people spend so much time doing this, and yet in a few minutes you can create a script that will really simplify your life. We could easily add on to this. I think at one point I did to say, hey, let's bring up a calendar, and you can pick it, easily see it and pick it, and then it would tell you, or shove it in there, or tell you how many days that is. So yeah, anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. Cheers.